Adjusting HVAC blower speed CFM on your furnace or air conditioner is key to getting your home feeling just right without wasting energy or messing up your system. Okay, so if you want to measure airflow accurately after tweaking your blower speed, you'll need some tools that actually work. First off, a flow hood is super handy because it captures air from vents and gives you a direct read on cubic feet per minute. Then there's the rotating vane anemometer, which you can hold in front of a vent to see how fast air is moving. Hot wire anemometers are another option. They use a thin wire to measure air velocity more precisely. To figure out the total airflow, you'll want to multiply the average airspeed by the cross-sectional area of your duct or vent. Make sure you take several readings from different spots and average them out to avoid weird spikes. Also, double check that your ducts are clean and not leaking, because that can mess with your numbers big time. And don't forget safety, turn off power before poking around your blower motor or ducts. One of the biggest mistakes people make when adjusting HVAC blower speed CFM is guessing without measuring airflow properly, which can lead to inefficient heating or cooling and higher energy bills. Fix that by using the right tools like a flow hood or an anemometer to get real data. Another common slip-up is ignoring the duct size when calculating airflow, so always measure the vent area accurately to avoid wrong CFM calculations. Lastly, some folks forget to consider duct leaks or blockages, which throw off airflow readings, so inspect and seal ducts before you adjust anything. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding reliable local contractors a breeze for homeowners who want quality work done right. At the same time, it helps contractors connect with real clients looking for their skills, making projects easier for everyone involved.